Test drive video, 1967 GTA Big Block S Code Fastback, Vintage Burgundy, loaded with options. See the other video for the walk around video. Not going to overheat with that huge radiator in there.
No.
Turn right at the signal.
Right at the light, yeah. A lot of power, man. Saw those second, third gear chirps?
Yeah.
That don't happen in those small blocks. He said it got over 400 horsepower. Is it fast, Ron? Make a right.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quick.
What's your thoughts?
Yeah, right side?
Any
nice
side.
Car. It's real nice.
Straight in.
Nice car.
It'll open up. Keep going.
We don't have to punch a code in. Do we have to hit a code or something?